Elementary sonography, physical national part of the computer. So now basically we saw lots of things. See lots of things. That zoology is the department who basically are handling everything. They basically calculate the computer power supply. The computer is getting power supply, whatever basically on off basically is happening. That is on the basis of zoology data basically. They have passed the data to the electronics department. They know basically which kind of data basically they are using. So here one person told that each companies basically, that is a Dell, HP, Microsoft, Compaq, then the IBM servers, Microsoft group basically, they are using the laptops, using the computers, using the servers, using the superpower computer. They have got certain level of powers basically. From this land only basically this computer will get on. For example, let's take one example basically. Assume that basically one new computer basically got launched. Zoology department told that basically we had done some changes basically. The land which is was getting the power supply of the electronics department basically, or basically the computer department basically, that power supply land basically we have changed basically. From land basically we have changed the power supply basically which the computer basically was getting, we have changed for this particular special computer basically, which is created by this particular company. So they have to test basically in one city basically, then only basically they can implement the computer basically to entire world basically. So this way only basically things happen basically. Whatever company basically launches their computer basically, they checks in one city where the entire setup basically is done from the computer group basically. That is a computer, for example HP launches one new computer model, so they basically checks in some USA city basically, because USA and Singapore basically is the hub of the software and computers basically. So there basically only the environment basically are set it. So next video.